Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your Google Slides presentation right to Canva. Here's how you can do it. First, you have to download the document from your Google Slides to your computer. Now go to the file menu, click download, and then select Microsoft PowerPoint or PPTX because this is the only format that is supported by Canva. So you want to select this option. Do not choose other format, just select PPTX. And it will start to render your document, and then we'll get the file ready, and then eventually it will be downloaded to your computer. Now I have the document has been downloaded. I'm going to visit Canva and let's click file. Oh, by the way, you have to start with a blank presentation, new presentation right here with no other design. And then you go to the file menu, click import files, and you can upload the presentation file that you just downloaded from Google Slides. I'm going to just drag and drop the file right here. Now just wait until the upload process is finished. Alright, now the file has been uploaded to our Canva account. Now what you need to do is you have to click on this design, click on this document that you just uploaded. And then here you want to click apply all to 11 pages. Now, if you're curious what this embed design actually look like, well, it is actually almost like embedding a different document into your existing Canva document. This is a little unusual, but it is certainly possible. So if you want to embed another document this way, then it is actually pretty unique approach to do that. So anyway, this is not something that I want to get. Let's undo. And I want to click apply all 11 pages. Just click on the button and it will start importing the slides into this timeline, this Canva document. And you'll see that we have pretty much the same design, the same font, the same color. And what's the best about it is that you can still modify the documents. So it is not like a regular PNG or JPEG data that you cannot do anything about. This is pretty much the same experience that you have on Google Slides. It's fully editable. So that's how you can get your Google Slides document to Canva.